Location. Location, maintenance-free lifestyle. Built 2014, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 CG. Other features of this home include split design, breakfast bar, versatile and flexible home office can easily be turned into a 3rd bedroom whether for your family or guests. Laundry room is off the garage and large screened lanai with an outdoor kitchen. Upgraded custom walk-in closet, plantation shutters in all the bedrooms, pre-wired for surround sound, outdoor kitchen, whole house water filtration system, exterior painted 2019, gutters, 18 feet wide garage door, added an additional 2 feet to the garage and hurricane shutters. Outdoor kitchen includes Delta gas grill and refrigerator. Riva Trace is a gated community, offering a maintenance-free lifestyle, kayak launch on Braden River, private observation deck overlooking the river, pet-friendly and no CDD fees. Fantastic location and easy commute to I-75, UTC Mall, 100+ shops, 20+ restaurants, NB Park, rowing and competition.